Imagine spending $32 billion in cash on a single company. That's exactly what Google just did, snagging cybersecurity superstar Wiz in the biggest acquisition of its 26-year history. But why? Stick around because this move could change the internet as we know it. Hey, what's up, tech fans? Today, we're diving into Google's jaw-dropping $32 billion buyout of Wiz, a cloud security game-changer. Let's break it down. What's Wiz? Why Google's obsessed? And what it means for you. Let's go. So, who's Wiz? Picture this. A 5-year-old startup founded by 4 Israeli geniuses who met in the army. In just half a decade, they've built a platform that protects companies' cloud data. Think Amazon, Microsoft, even Google itself from hackers. They're so good, they're already raking in $700 million a year, with sights set on $1 billion. That's insane growth. Half the Fortune 100, BMW, Salesforce, you name it, trust Wiz to keep their cloud safe. And now, Google's swooping in to make it theirs. Why did Google do it? Here's the tea. Google's playing catch-up. Its cloud business trails Amazon and Microsoft. AWS owns 30% of the market, Azure is at 21%, and Google Cloud just 12%. Ouch. But cybersecurity is the secret sauce in the AI era, and Wiz is the hottest chef in town. Google's CEO Sundar Pichai says it's about stronger security and multi-cloud power. Translation: they want to dominate enterprise cloud and flex their AI muscle. Oh, and last year, Wiz said nah to a $23 billion offer from Google. This time, $32 billion sealed the deal. So how does this affect you? If you use Google Cloud, or even if you don't, this could mean tighter security for your data, from Gmail to YouTube. Wiz stays multi-cloud, so it will still work with rivals, but Google's betting big on winning over businesses scared of AI-powered cyber attacks. Plus, with Trump's admin greenlighting mega deals, this could spark a tech acquisition frenzy. Your online world's about to get safer. Or at least that's the plan. But hold up, it's not a done deal yet. Regulators might squint at this $32 billion monster, especially with Google already fighting antitrust battles. If it flops, Google's out $3.2 billion in breakup fees. Risky? Yep. Worth it? We'll see when it closes in 2026, if it does. So what do you think? Is Google's $32 billion gamble genius or overkill? Drop your hot takes in the comments.